Hi, and welcome to the military method for stress, also known as box breathing. This breathing technique is said to be used by the U.S. Navy SEALs to help them stay calm under extremely tense situations. It's a very simple method that you can use under any circumstances when you're feeling stressed or anxious. You can practice box breathing in any position, whether you're standing in line, sitting in a chair, or lying down in bed. Just choose a moment where you can be quiet for about 5 minutes. And when you're ready, either lower your gaze or close your eyes. Now start to notice your breath as the air flows in through your nose, fills your lungs, and as you exhale, let all thoughts and concerns stream out of you as the air leaves your body. Just be here now. You can only respond better to whatever is happening right now by grounding yourself. Not thinking of future scenarios, not thinking of what will happen in the next few minutes. Grounding yourself in this moment, right now. And so just breathe. Checking in with your body, notice if there are any points of tension, and just release these. And to release these, just breathe evenly. And as you keep breathing naturally now, bring to mind the image of a box. This box will be your visual anchor as you breathe. At the top left corner, imagine a cursor. It'll run all the way to the end of that line as you inhale on a count of 4. As the cursor slides down the right side of the box, you'll hold your breath on another count of 4. And then you'll exhale following the cursor on the bottom line, going towards the left. And finally, you'll hold your breath along the left side of the box until the cursor reaches the top of the box. And then you'll start a new cycle as you inhale again. So we inhale at the top, hold on the side, exhale at the bottom, and hold again on the other side of the box. This will count as one breathing cycle. Today we will do 4 cycles of box breathing together. But as time goes on, you might want to do more on your own. So when you're ready, simply follow my count. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one cycle. Now on to the next cycle. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. And now on to the third cycle. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. And our last cycle. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can now return to your normal breathing pattern. Just breathing naturally. Notice the calm expanding inside of you. A sense of peace gently seeping through you. And all of this just using your breath. With a clearer mind, you'll now be able to tackle whatever is ahead of you. You got this. Until next time, be well.